Hi guys, today I will show you an interesting item that we have found. We did buy one piece. We actually got this piece with the socket. Now you have to be careful because if your wrenches do not fit into this socket, then you'll be unable to use them. Otherwise, on the side of this thing there is something like a brake. The brake changes the switch from left to right and from right to left depending how you want to turn. And after you insert your socket here, it works as normally. You can get the other version as well if you want to, but this version looks good to us. That's why we got it, since it seems to be more usable and many people have wrenches and screwdrivers of this type. Now this should be the normal screwdrivers, but be careful guys, if they don't fit then you will be unable to use them. It's a 1/4 inch, what it says here, 6.35 millimeters, and those should be your standard tools. Tell us what you think guys. The item costs $2. The shipping is $1 approximately to different locations. The item looks good. I don't think it will be able to sustain much pressure, but for a 1/4 inch it's more than enough. From what we've tested, it works good for most of your everyday activities. If you want to guys, feel free to write us a comment and we'll gladly try to answer. You'll find the link for this in the video description as always. And if you want to support us guys, feel free to visit our PayPal and give us a coffee. And of course, if you want to, you can trade our crypto work token on the Pancake exchange. And that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching.